In this video, you will learn about the export of EndNote references into Excel. And we cannot use the EndNote in Microsoft Excel as it can be used in Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Word. But we can export the data from the from the EndNote to the Microsoft Excel. For that, we have to click on the edit, and for in the output styles, we have to create the new style. I am creating the new style, and I am mainly interested to export the bibliography. For that, I have to select the templates, and in most of the academic institutions, we publish, we are interested in the reference types of the journal articles. For that, I am selecting the journal article option here, and for the journal article, I want to here. I must be careful. The the points which I want to incorporate into the Excel must be present in this style. For example, in my case, I am interested in the first author, then I have to insert the tab after that, then again I want year, then again I'm inserting the tag, then I'm interested about the title, then I'm again adding the tab button, tab option, then here I want to insert the journal, then again tab, inserting tab, then again volume, then again tab option, then again I want to insert the pages. So I want this style, and then I want to use this style to be exported into the Excel. So in this way, you can create any file of any style, and even you can make the new styles. Then I want to close this yes, I want to save these changes, and I am giving the name Excel output 2. I'm saving it. Then from this menu, I have to select another style, and another slide which I want to select is the Excel, which is created right now. Excel output 2. I have selected it. Now all my references will appear in Excel output style 2. And in the Excel output style, I have selected author, year, title, volume, then pages. Only these sections of the references should appear in the Excel file. So in this way, you can export multiple references within only few minutes. For example, I have selected some of the references and I want to export these references. And then for that, I have to select the file option. Then I have to select the export. And in the export, I want to name it Excel output 2. And then I have to save as a text file. And then it will be saved in the downloads. It is saved. Now I am opening the Excel file, opening the Excel, and in the Excel, uh, I am opening the file which is saved in the downloads, and in the downloads, this I cannot see the file of avian influenza, text file of avian influenza. For that, I am selecting all files, and then avian influenza file is can be seen at the top of the list. I am selecting it and then opening it, and then there are some options, and then I am selecting it as next, then finish. And here you can see all the articles are exported into the Excel. So in this way, you can export the references which you want into Excel with only few clicks. Thank you so much. If you have any question related to the export of the data from the That is all about the export of the references from the EndNote to the Excel. If you have any question, please comment in the comment section below. I will try to answer it. Thank you so much.